everyone, welcome to my new video tutorial. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to make a flat Christmas tree crochet, and which is very easy and a beginner friendly pattern. And Christmas is coming soon, so I'm trying to make something for Christmas, so you can try to make like me. Now let's get started, everyone. So leave a long tail, that means this much is okay. Now make a slip knot. Chaining of 2, 1 and 2. After making a chaining of 2, I'm going to make a 2 half double crochet into the same stitches. That means into the first one, skip 1 chain, and into the first one we have to make a 2 half double crochet. And after making this, we have to make round number 2. For round number 2, I'm going to make a chain of 1, chain 1, turn your work, and we have to make a 2 half double crochet into the 2 stitches, 2 half double crochet into the same stitches, 1 and then 2. In the next 1 and 2. Chain of 1, turn your work again. Now we are going to make a next. This is a round number 3. 1 half double crochet first into the first stitches, into the second stitches. We have to make a 2 half double crochet. That means 2 times half double crochet. Right over here, 1 and 2. Make only 1 half double crochet. And chaining of 1, turn your work. We are going to make a next round is going to be a round number 4. For round 4, we are just going to make a 1 half double crochet in every stitches. No increase, just half double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then right over here is a 6. And again we have to do is a chaining of 1 for next round. Chain 1, turn your work, and we are going to make a next round, and the next round is going to be round number 5. First of all, we have to make a half double crochet into the first stitches, and into the second 2 half double crochet into the same stitches, 1 and 2. Next we have to make a 2 half double crochet into the next one, and after this we have to do is we have to make a 2 half double crochet into the same stitches. That means right over here into the same stitches we have to make a half double crochet 2 times, and into the next stitches only 1. Chaining of 1, turn your work, round number 6. First of all, we have to make half double, and in the 6th row we are going to make a half double crochet in every stitches. And chaining of 1. Now I'm going to make a next round, and the next round is going to be a round 7. So round 7 and 8, we are going to repeat the round number 5 and 6. We have to repeat 5 and 6. That means for round 7, 1/2 and 2 half double crochet into the same stitches, and half double crochet 2 times, and 2 half double crochet into the same stitches, and a half double crochet, and at the second last 2 half double crochet, and 1 half double crochet into the last one, chaining of 1, turn your work. And for round 8, I'm just going to make a half double crochet all over the chain stitches. Okay, maybe we can add some more chains. I'm going to add 1 more chains, or you can just finish up your work right over here. If you want to make a bigger, you can just repeat 5 and 6 round, or 7 and 8 round. You can repeat that, but it's okay. Now I'm going to end in the row number 8, and I'm going to make a slip stitch and chain 1 and fasten off your yarn. And after this, you have to hide this part. Okay, after this we have to make a branch part, and I'm going to use a black color of yarn. And so now we have to make in the middle part 1 2 3 4 5. Just right over here I'm going to attach the black one, and we have to make a half double crochet. One half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet, and the 3 half double crochet, and chaining 1, turn your work, 1 half, 2 half, and 3 half double crochet. And chain 1, and we have to fasten off, cut the yarn and fasten off. Okay, now we so much for watching my video tutorial. If you guys love this, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to make this, you can make a garland too, okay? With the help of this, you can make a garland. You can use some yarn right over here and you can make a garland for a Christmas decoration. Okay, now I have to go. See you in the next video. Happy crocheting.